Right, we're gonna make the polenta chips for the steak, chimichurri sauce and polenta. First of all, we have the polenta, parmesan cheese and butter. We're gonna cook the polenta in chicken stock. Just add the polenta to the boiling chicken stock, whisking it in. Add about 3/4 of this butter. And add all the parmesan cheese. Keep whisking it until it goes very thick. It has to cook for about 5 minutes. Then we take it off, put it onto a tray and chill it. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna put it on a tray for blast chilling. Right, the polenta has been chilled down and is set now. We're ready to cut into portions. So we're gonna cut slices, cut them into chips. Okay, we're gonna make chimichurri sauce. We're gonna use white onion, red pepper, parsley, chili flakes, salt, pepper, garlic clove, vinegar, and vegetable oil. We'll start by adding the parsley. Onions. Peppers. And start blending it. Add vinegar. Right, we add the garlic, chili flakes, some black pepper and salt. Now we're gonna fry the steak. We got minute steak, cracked black pepper, molten sea salt. Season the steak. Salt and pepper, rub it in. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. Add the steak. It's going to be very quick, very hot, otherwise you overcook the steak. Right, season your polenta chips with a bit of salt. Put them on a plate. Like that. Let the steak rest for a minute. Start carving it in an angle. Into about 5 slices. And nicely arrange on the board. With the chimichurri sauce, your watercress, polenta chips and the steak.